Hello, hello! It's me again, Christian Page. So, may D1 brand na naman tayo ditong i-unbox. And let's see kung okay naman tong aking na-order. Ito ay battery operated, 20 volts, isang impact drill and impact driver, and may dalawang battery and isang charger. So let's start and let's do this, guys. Parang nabuksan na. Charan! Tingnan natin kung ano, tama yung nasa loob. Manual instruction. Wow! Ganda! Yeah. So ito yung impact drill. It's 20 volts battery operated and brushless DeWalt. Charan! Bagong bago pa, guys. Ito yung impact drill. And this is the charger. And this is the two batteries. Wala na. Bag, free bag. Okay. Ganda naman. 20 volts. Ito yung isa. So, itra-try natin kung pwede. Ito yung impact drill. Wow! And ito naman yung impact driver. Uy, may ilaw siya. Pang mga screw ata to, or universal na gamit. Ito yung reverse, and reverse to yung mga controller. Reverse saka backward siguro to. Kasi may arrow. Maganda naman. And same din to, reverse and forward pala, backward. Ito yung adjacent. Ito reverse and forward ito. Same din sila dito. Ayun. Uy, may ilaw din siya. Yes, okay naman. Maganda. Salamat. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Thank you.